Tom, a 10-year-old boy with short brown hair and blue eyes, loved exploring the forest near his home. Wearing a green t-shirt and blue jeans with a backpack, he looked adventurous and curious as he stood at the edge of the forest, a look of determination on his face. Tom soon encountered his first challenge, a deep ravine with a fallen log serving as a bridge. He knew he had to cross it to continue his adventure. Taking a deep breath, he gathered his courage and carefully stepped onto the log. The dense forest around him was bathed in sunlight filtering through the trees, adding to the serene yet challenging setting. Halfway across the log, Tom heard a rustling noise and saw a small animal trapped under some branches. For a moment, fear gripped him, but then he decided he couldn't leave the animal behind. Kneeling down, he gently lifted the branches and freed the frightened creature. The relief in the animal's eyes mirrored Tom's growing bravery. With the animal now free, Tom continued his journey across the log and successfully made it to the other side. A triumphant smile spread across his face as the rescued animal stood by his side, looking up at him gratefully. Ahead of him, a clear path lay open, symbolizing his triumph and the continuation of his adventure. As the sun set, Tom returned home, feeling proud of his bravery and ready for more adventures. His family waited at the door, happy to see him safe and sound. The beautiful sunset with its warm colors reflected the end of a courageous day.